Okay, now we're going to show you the full dismantle and clean of the mixing brewer inside for the chocolate and chai powder. So we're going to open the door with the key, and you'll see the mixing blue mixing brewer there. To get it out, you may need to push the little chutes up, the chocolate one and the chai one. Just push them up with your finger. Yep, so they're just clear. Don't forget, when you put this back in, you need to put those down. So we're going to remove the blue pipe on the mixing bowl. That just pops off. We're going to see the little green circle clip there. We're going to push that anti-clockwise till it clips, and then we're just going to wriggle out the mixing bowl like that, and that just comes out. And then what we're going to do now is just pull this apart. Pull this apart, and we're going to give it a good rinse under cold water and get rid of any residue of chai powder or chocolate. Once that's done, we'll just put that back together again the same way we took it apart. We recommend just giving it a good dry as well before you do that, so there's no water in there or moisture. Okay, the clip goes on there, the bottom round circle, clip it in, and then the other bit sits on top and just clips in there like that. You'll hear it click, and now that's all together. So we're going to put that back in, opposite way we took it out. That little piece there goes onto the bottom piece pipe there, so make sure that clips in and lines up nicely. Once that's pushed in firm, you put the green clip clockwise back to 6 o'clock, and that's locked in. Then we put the blue pipe back on, and that's done, and we just adjust the chutes back so they're lined up if you move them to get the mixing bowl out. Cool. So as you'll see, that's all nicely clipped in there, and the blue one lines up on there, so all good. Okay, now once that's done, that's the mixing bowl complete and clean, and we recommend doing that every week. You can lock the door back up and back to the menu. Takes back to the full drinks list.